For some of you new guys that don't know, this attaches to this.
Oh, wait a minute. Repeat that. I missed.
For those guys that don't know, this fabulous thing attaches to your hose. Something like that. And then attach to this. And then you put your splitter.
Indeed.
So
look out, guys.
For example, can I come off this side, please? At the same time? While you're splitting that? That's what I was saying. Can I play?
Wow.
Not really.
Somebody thinking. I'm telling you, man, listen,
That's
people.
how they do it in the fire department.
If everybody in the room's thinking the same, somebody ain't thinking.
But in the fire department, they got two hoses connected and they put a splitter right
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know, but I didn't want to turn this one on because it's going right into this wall.
Shit,
And,
they-
It's going to send my hose straight like a rocket.
Well, you got to bleed the hose first. You got to bleed the line first. Bleed the line.
Right. Get all
That's
that
why
dirt.
I had you pull up.
Get all that dirt and stuff out.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh? We don't know when.
And you don't have a T. You don't have a splitter. Man.
Can we get this project over, please, so we can do some work?
I need for Christmas.
What?
Well,
a T?
I tell you what, Craig. I know you ain't starving, so you know you could probably go to Quick Trip and get one of them.
Now here's the thing. Have you hooked that up to a fire hydrant before? That red hose?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure, because that.
That's their pressure to it, not. Yeah. So it's gone through the hub and everything like that. Yes.
Yeah. My concern would be the hose. The hose. Watch out, boss. It's clean. Clean water. They must flow these up here. Yeah. It's nice and clean. Yeah, you want to flow this to get all the dirt crap out, man. Make sure so it don't clog up your filters.
You can take one side, we take one side.
Exactly, because one of mine feeds the other tank. You follow me?
I just need.
Come on. I got you.
Yeah, both of my tanks feed off of one another.
Play.
Oh, that was off of, what was the name of that movie?
You want me to get away? All you gotta do is say something.
What was the name of that movie?
We're going to wet you up, man.
With Will Smith.
Iron Man.
No.
Iron Lit.
Huh?
Iron Lit.
No, it's about him being a pickpocket.
A what?
A pickpocket. And the Chinese guy said, I want to play. All right.
Oh, that's what you're doing. You sitting there waiting on the hose to be handed to you, huh?
Yeah, I am.
Man, it ain't that sweet, bro.
You said he was bleeding the line. That's why I didn't connect.
I'm trying to tell you it ain't that sweet, bro.
All right. So that's all we got, these three right here?
That's it. We're good. That's enough. One of ours is going to feed the other one. You understand what I'm saying? We ain't going to be up here that long. You got 40 gallons a minute flowing up here.
Oh!